Good morning students. Today we discuss about refractive index or absolute refractive index. Before going to discuss about refractive index, we recall refraction. Refraction means when light ray travels from one medium to the another medium, it bends at the normal drawn to the surface. Now my question is, how much bending of light is there? So that amount of bending is measured by the quantity refractive index. Refractive index means the ratio between speed of light in vacuum and speed of light in medium is called refractive index. Formula: refractive index is equal to speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium. Here refractive index is represented by small n. So small n is equal to C by V, where C is speed of light in vacuum, V is speed of light in medium. In this formula, in numerator there is speed, in the denominator also there is speed, so their units are cancelled. That's why refractive index has no units and dimensions. So refractive index is dimensionless quantity. Here C is speed of light in vacuum. Its value is constant, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So that's why the refractive index of the medium is inversely proportional to the speed of light. That means if refractive index of the medium is high, then speed of light in that medium becomes low, and vice versa. If refractive index of the medium is high, then the speed of light in that medium becomes low, and vice versa. The refractive index depends on two factors. They are nature of material medium and wavelength of light. Due to these two factors, different material media have different refractive indices. Now we discuss about relative refractive index. The refractive index of second medium with respect to the first medium is called relative refractive index. So the formula is relative refractive index is equal to refractive index of second medium by refractive index of first medium. Here relative refractive index is represented by N21, that is equal to formula N2 by N1, where N2 is refractive index of second medium, N1 is refractive index of first medium. Here also in numerator and denominator there are refractive indices. That's why this relative refractive index also has no units and dimensions. That is about relative refractive index.